Hello guys, welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. This is Samadhan Kale and welcome to all of you. Yes, so in today's video we will see how to find the series expansion in mathematics by using Python. Okay guys, so in this video I will take a Google Colab for the environment. Yes, I will run the program on Google Colab so that you will understood how to run the programs of Python on Google Colab. Yes, so let's start today's video guys. So before that, those guys do not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get the latest update of videos. So let's start guys. Firstly, I will give the title to this notebook. So I will go to the file and I will rename it as this untitled one. Okay, I will rub and I will give the name as series mathematics. Okay, series mathematics, and let's keep it so it will be stored. Now guys, how to find the series? So there is a library for the series function. Okay, so we have already seen that library. The name of the library is sympy. Yes, so by using this sympy we can calculate the series of any function. Yes, so let's start. So I will give first the format. Okay, so what is format here? So I will give the hashtag first. Yes, so the format is, there is a function, series function. Okay, so I have to use series of, okay, series of, you have to give some function. Okay, then variable, suppose I take generally x variable, you can give any variable. Then you have to give the point. Yes, you have to give the point, at what point the series you want, and at the last you have to give the n, this is the power. Okay, so up to which order you want the series. Defaultly this series function takes the point as 0 and the value of n as 6. Okay, so let us take the another cell. So in this cell I will run the program now. Okay guys, so let's start. For first we will import the library. Okay, so I will import this sympy as sp. Yes, import sympy as sp. I have imported. Now I want to give the variables. Okay, so I will use only x variable. So x is equal to I will use sp dot symbol, okay, and you have to give in a string, that is x. Okay, x. So this is the symbol. Before that guys, those guys do not seen the last two three videos, that is integration, differentiation and limit. You can see there I have explained this symbol and symbols function in sympy library. Okay, we have to give first the symbols. Okay, so you can see that videos I have given in the description box, the links of that videos, you can see it. Okay, so this is the symbol. Now I will take the function. Okay, I will take the function. Suppose f is equal to, I want to find the series of sin x. Okay, so this sin is defined in this library, so I will use sp dot sin x, sp dot sin of x. Okay, and then now I will use the series function. So this series, okay, series is equal to this sp dot series of what you want, the series of function f with variable x. And what is the point here guys? Point is, suppose you want to find the series of sin x at point x equal to 0, and the terms n you want 4. Okay, and complete it, and lastly you will print the series. Yes, you will print the series. So print series. Yes, print series. And let's run it, guys, and see what will happen. Okay, so as it consumes internet connection, okay, so it will take some time for running. Yes, it will import the sympy library, then it will go to the symbols and series, and then use the series function. Here I don't want to space. Yes, then run it. Yes, it will take some time for running. So due to this, guys, you will understood how to run the program on Google Colab, and you can also run this type of programs on your mobile phone also. Okay, so guys, let's see, this is our output. Yes, this is our output, and if we don't use the print function, if we give only the series here, if we give only the series here, let's see what will happen. If we give only the series here, then it will be more interactive way. Okay, the output will be in a more interactive way. So by using print statement and by using do not print statement, you can see previous 2-3 videos, there also you can understood. Yes, see, so this is the very interactive mode. Okay, guys, so I hope all of you understood how to find the series of function. Okay, now I want to find the series of another function. I will take the another example. Okay, now I have imported symbol also and the library also. For the next example, I will not import the symbol, okay, and I will not import the library again. So I will give only the function. Okay, so function, this f is equal to, I will use the function. Suppose I want to find the series of 1 upon cos x. Okay, I want to find the series of 1 upon cos x. So I will write 1 upon, this cos x is defined in the sympy library. So I will use cos of sp dot cos of x. Okay, so this is the function. Now I have to find the series of this function. So series, okay, series is equal to, I will write as sp dot series, sp dot series of what you want, which series you want, function f. Okay, and what is the variable, variable is x. Okay, and what is the point, suppose I want to find 2 at point 2, and I want 6 terms, I want 6 terms, and lastly I will give it as series. And let's run it, guys, and see what it will be give us series. Yes, so this is a series, guys. Let's see, this is a Taylor series. Okay, so this is 1 upon cos 2 plus x minus 2 into sin 2 upon cos square of 2. Yes, it's a very nice way of explaining the series. Yes, so instead of 2, suppose I want at point pi by 2, at point pi by 2. So this pi is defined in sp, so I will use sp dot, okay, sp dot pi upon 2, sp dot pi upon 2, and let's run it and let's see what will happen here. Okay, we have taken at point 2, and now we have taken at point pi by 2, and let's see, this is the series of 1 upon cos x at point pi upon 2. The very interesting and the nice way of giving the series here. Okay, guys, now I will use another function. Suppose I want a series of log x. Okay, so I will use f is equal to sp dot log of 1 minus x. I will use log of 1 and then minus, I will use as x, log of 1 minus x, and then I will use as series equal to sp dot, okay, sp dot series, okay, what series you want, the function f series. Okay, what is the variable is x, and I want the series at point suppose 0 it will take. Okay, and up to the term force I want, and then I will give as series. Let's run it, guys, and let's see what will happen here. Okay, so this is the series of log of 1 minus x, guys. Let's see if I want at x equal to 2. Okay, and then if I run it, let's see, this is the series of the log of 1 minus x at x equal to 2. Yes, at this point, this is the point that we have given. Okay, guys, so this is the thing that we have taken. Okay, now I will take the another example. Okay, suppose I want to find the series of cos x. Cos x already we have taken. I will take the function f as f is equal to x into tan x. Okay, so for into I have to give the star. Okay, star x into sp dot tan of x. Okay, sp dot tan of x, and let's see, series equal to I want sp dot series of function f. Okay, at this x variable at point 0, and I want the terms as 6 terms, and then lastly I will print this series, and let's see what will happen. Okay, it will give you the series of x into tan x. Okay, guys, I hope all of you understood how to find the series of any function by using the Python. So thank you for watching the video.